Good afternoon. Raise your hand if I am audible to you. Only Nikita has responded yes. All right. Wait for a moment. Let me settle the slides. Just share document visible to everyone, or shall I zoom it? I think you can zoom it from your end also. Can you? Can you zoom it from your end? All right. All right. Try to zoom it. So today we are going to start with DES, Data Encryption Standard, right? I need to write here somehow. How would I do that? Why is not picking up a pen? Okay, enable editing. Not working. All right. Let's start with feastal structure first. Is this visible? Feastal structure. Black screen. Now is it visible? All right. So before starting DES, चलो मैं पहले ऐसे स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ. We are going to do DES, data encryption standard. Now about DES, to start discussion about DES, before that we must know what are physical structure. All right. DES is a type of block cipher. The things that you need to remember, you will get such kind of questions in your MST also, like it is a stream cipher or a block cipher. Which of these is a block cipher, or which of these is a stream cipher, or you may have DES, AES, all right, electronic code book, etc. So you will have such kind of options there. So cipher, it is a block cipher. Second thing is that it is a symmetric cipher. Example of symmetric cipher. Third thing is it uses 64-bit plain text blocks. It uses, you have to remember everything. Sorry, 64-bit plain text blocks. If your plain text is having 2000 bits, 1000 bits, then it has to be divided into 64-bit blocks. Last block would not complete 64 bits, but rest of the blocks will be of 64 bits. So to make the last block of 64 bits, the remaining bits will be filled with some filler. All right, like XXXXX. I have already told you what are fillers. All right. So the person who is decoding the message, who is deciphering the message, will get to know that these X values are useless. All right. So three things: block cipher. It is a symmetric cipher. What is the meaning of symmetric cipher? Same key is used for encryption and decryption, right? Same key is used for encryption and decryption. Total how many rounds are there? Last point is there are 16 rounds of encryption. Total 16 rounds here. All right. In AES also we are having 16 rounds, but अभी यहाँ पे खाली DES की बात करते हैं. We have 16 rounds of encryption. So what are these rounds? These are called Feistel rounds. FISTAL, Feistel rounds. Is this clear to everyone till now? Data encryption standard is a symmetric encryption technique which is using block ciphers, which uses 64-bit plain text in each round, or which can encrypt 64 bits in a single run. All right, it uses 16 rounds of Feistel structure. 16 Feistel rounds होते हैं ये. It uses 16 Feistel rounds for each encryption, for encryption of each 64 bits. Okay, so definitely you will be getting one MST from these 5 options. Feistel structure हो सकता है 16 rounds पे आए, block cipher, symmetric cipher, or 64 plain text. Means what is the size of plain text in case of DES, how many rounds are there, or what kind of cipher it is, symmetric cipher or asymmetric cipher. All right, or what kind of key is used, private key is used, private key. All right, what kind of key is used in DES? So private key is used in DES. Okay, so first before going with this, let us know about Feistel structure. Feistel structure. So plain text, whatever plain text is there, that plain text is of 64 bit, we have said, है ना? 64 bit. Now those 64 bits are divided into two blocks of 32 bits. 32 bits. All right. And then initial permutation is done. Initial permutation. What is initial permutation? That is scrambling the data, means changing the positions of, that is initial permutation. So one first bit can be sent to 20th bit, 20th bit can be sent to 15th bit, 15th bit can be sent to 25th bit. So the initial permutation. Initial permutation. I will tell you all the steps also in DES. All right. So separately, I will tell you what all steps are there. So first is initial permutation. All right. So whatever key we have a key, standard key, that is called master key. Why master key here? Because we are going to generate some sub keys for all 16 rounds. We will have 16 sub keys. How those keys are generated, we will discuss also in this lecture. How those keys are being generated. So from that master key, a sub key of 56 bit is generated. From that 56 bit, a 48 bit sub key is generated. So this 32 bit, but after initial permutation, it will become 48 bit. 48 bit. All right. And then this key is implemented. This key is implemented. Key is implemented means key is XORed with the left part. All right. To right half, right half. This is half. All right. You can say this is the half. On the right half, the data of right half is XORed. XORed with what? With this key. Now both are 48 bit. 48 bit का key है, 48 bit data है. So they are XORed. And the result of XORed is this. Say this is 48 bit. Now this 48 will remain as it is, 48 bit. Now these two results are swapped. This will go here and this will go here. All right. This is round one. This is called Feistel structure. Feistel structure means dividing the input into two halves, and those two halves are being operated upon by the keys, and the master key is used to generate the sub keys. How sub keys are being generated, that we will discuss here. All right. So for now, you must know what is Feistel structure. सबको समझ में आ गया what is Feistel structure? Everyone got to know what is Feistel structure? I'm repeating, I'm going to repeat that we have 64-bit data as DES encrypts 64 bits at a time, and we have a 64-bit key, 64-bit key. All right. So that this data is divided into physical structure as 32-bit, 32-bit with initial permutation. This data is expanded. 32 bits are expanded to 48 bits, and these 64 bits are reduced to first 56 bits, then 48 bits. Okay. So that 48-bit, when we have 48-bit data, 48-bit key, we XOR the right half. The right half is XORed with the key, and the result of XORed is swapped with the left side. Left side will come to right side will come to left side. So round one of physical structure. We have 16 total rounds. In round 2, we will have a different key. We will have a different key of 48 bits. That 48 bit will be XORed with right side, and then right side and left side will be swapped in second round again. In third round, again we will have a different key. That different key will be XORed with right side, and then after with the result of XOR, the XOR result will be swapped with the left side. All right, and so on. This process will go on. So we will have total 16 such kind of physical rounds. Is this clear to everyone? Yes or no? Hurry up. There are 102 students in the class, 101 students, sorry. So 2-3 students are responding. So let us get back to DES now. DES. So we have basically 4 steps in DES, starting with initial permutation. First step is initial permutation, that is used for expansion of plain text, right? We can expand plain text for requirement to map it with the key, because key is of 48 bit and plain text is 32 bit, right? First is initial permutation. Second is 16 rounds of physical structure. All right. Third point is swapping left or right swap. Swapping left and right. Third thing is swapping the left part and right part of the physical structure. And fourth point is final permutation and inverse the initial permutation. Final permutation is done in the last step. Final permutation is done, and also we call it initial permutation is inversed here. All right. So whenever you are going to describe data encryption standard, you must remember these things. All right, what all things are there? Which this is also a question that which of the following algorithm follows feature structure? So DES is the one. All right, you must remember these steps. These steps are in the same sequence. They appear in the same sequence. I've written them. So you also remember the sequence that first of all initial permutation is done, then 16 rounds of Fisher structure with swapping left and right of Fisher structure, then final permutation, or we call it initial permutation is inversed, right? Now, if we this was the diagram for the Fisher structure. If we talk about the diagram of DES, then it would be like, if we talk about DES diagram, then it would be like we are having 64-bit plain text. We have on that 64-bit plain text we have initial permutation, after initial permutation we have round 1, round 2, and so on up to round 16. All right, initially we have a master key of 64-bit, initial key is of 64 bits. From this initial key, after discarding, if we divide this initial key into 8 bits each, discarding every 8th bit, it would become 56-bit key. All right, 56-bit, and from that 56-bit again we get a key of, discarding every 7th bit again, we get a key of 48-bit. All right, so from this 56-bit we get 48-bit one time, 48-bit for this, and so on for 48-bit key for this. All right, so these are different keys, all are different 48-bit keys. Now how are we getting these 16 different 48-bit keys? We will discuss this also. So this is our basic structure of DES. We are having these rounds, and within these rounds we have, what is there in this round? A structure. All right, we have XORed this value with a key, and the output is swapped with this. All right, now this value again XORed with key, and the output is sent to right side, this. All right, so this is one round, this is second round. All right, we have 16 rounds, and after 16 rounds what we have? Final permutation, or we call it reverse initial permutation. You can call it reverse initial permutation. So the output is ciphertext. 64-bit ciphertext. All right. Output is 64-bit ciphertext. Is this clear to everyone? So this is our DES algorithm. In DES, we have initial permutation. We have 16 rounds. We have last final permutation at ciphertext. In each round, we have a Feaster structure. We have already discussed Feaster structure. We have an initial key of 64-bit. From that, we extract a 56-bit. From that 56-bit, for every round, we get a different key. Key 1, key 2, key 3, and key 16. All right, each of 48-bit. So how this is working? Let us see. This XOR is called a function. Actually, in diagrams, this XOR operation, XOR operation of Feaster structure, this is represented as a function. Sometimes it is written F only. So don't get confused. I have already told you what function is that. जब आपको पता है, it is an XOR function, though, so no need to write it F. All right, directly write it XOR because we know what function is working there. So we have, let us clear this. Now, when initially we have 64-bit, they are divided into 32-bit and 32-bit each. We have 48-bit key and we want to XOR this with this. Now what we will do, this 32-bit will be expanded. That is called expansion. All right, expansion function or expansion boxes. So here these 32 bits goes to expansion boxes. We will have expansion boxes. 4 4 is 32, 8, 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 8, 48. So this will go through substitution boxes 2 times. Substitution, they are called S boxes. S bits are represented there. 32, 8, 4 is 8, 4 is 32. So they will be divided into 4 bit blocks, 4, 4, 4, 4, 8 times, and 1 extra bit will be added to them. All right, they become 5, 5, 5, 5 into 8, 40, 40, and then again this 40 will go to substitution boxes, and 1 more bit will be added. All right, so the same bit will be added to all the substitution boxes, and they will become 6-bit boxes. From 4-bit boxes they will become 6-bit boxes. So 6 into 8 is 48. We will get a 48-bit here after expansion. All right, the same pattern will be followed in all the rounds. Like if we are adding zeros at the end, the substitution boxes, then for example 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So then if 0 is being added, then 0 will be added to all the substitution boxes, right? And it will become 6 bits from 4 bit each to 6 bits. 6 into 8, if 8 pairs were there, 4 into 8, that was 32. It will become 6 into 8, that is 48 bit. So they are expanded. This is called expansion boxes. So, it uses substitution, right? So 48-bit, when we get 48-bit, it can be easily XORed using a simple mathematical function. All right, this XORed value will be swapped. this will also be expanded to 48 and here, right? Now let me share this with you. I think it is pretty clear to everyone what is happening in the Feaster structure, what is happening in each round. We are having 16 rounds. What is happening in initial permutation, what is happening in final permutation, in final permutation, whatever data has been scrambled, that is being brought into the original way, original positions, and hence we get the, after 16 times XORing the data, and after 16 times swapping the data left and right, we get the ciphertext. So it is a highly sophisticated algorithm which is highly secure as well. So if a person who knows the key properly and knows that it is being encrypted using DES, only that person can decipher that data or decrypt that data. All right, it is highly secure. You can zoom it yourself for your convenience. So this is Feaster structure. We have discussed. It says that if any algorithm, in this algorithm, not any, we divide the plain text into two halves, uh, apply on the right hand side and XOR it, apply the function on right hand side and XOR it with the left hand side, and the output is supposed to be swapped with the left hand side at last. So we have already seen DES, its steps, basic structure of DES, Feastel structure. So left side and right side will keep on exchanging with each other. Substitutions boxes, we have already discussed that from 4 bits it will change into 6 bits. So at last it says that how 6 bits are again being converted into 4 bits, so that we can get 32 bits back from 48 bits. That is done like this, that we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in this way, and we are having here 0 and 1 as last. They will decide the row number. The inner 4 bits will decide the column number. All right, and the corresponding value will be saved. Corresponding value will be saved. I hope this is visible to everyone. This is permutation choice. Now the key. We haven't discussed that how keys are being changed. Like I have told you that after discarding every eighth bit, if we are having 64-bit key, after discarding every eighth bit, we will get 56-bit key. From 64, 8 is subtracted. If we divide 64 into 8 parts and one bit is discarded, last bit is discarded, every 8 bit is discarded, then we will get 56-bit key. From that 56-bit key, now how we are getting those keys which are of 48-bit and how they are becoming different. So for one time, so we will discard every 7th bit. Now उसको 56 या आप कहें कि एवरी 8 बिट अगेन, अगर आप 7 into 8 कर दें, 7 पेयर्स बना दें 8 8 के, दैट वुड बी 56 बिट्स. उसमें से 8th बिट अगर हम डिस्कार्ड करके वी विल गेट 48. नाउ फ्रॉम दैट 48 बिट, जो 48 बिट्स हैं, that 48 bit will be shifted. That could be a left shift or a right shift. All right, but it must be consistent. That shift must be consistent. Means या तो आप either you will use left shift throughout the algorithm, or you will for each round, or you will use right shift. ठीक है, दोनों में से एक ही यूज करेंगे आप. Right. So 64-bit divided into 8 parts. Every 8th bit is discarded. We get 56 bits here. Wait for a moment. Now, if this is visible to you, wait for a moment. If this is visible to you here, that in each round, that is I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 16. These are rounds. In each round, these bits are being shifted with left shift in each round. With left shift in each round, that means we will shift them circularly towards left. If leftmost bit is 0, that 0 bit will become the rightmost bit. All right, so left shift. In this way we can get from one 48-bit key, कोई भी एक 48-bit key से हम we can have n number of 48-bit keys. ठीक है, at least we can have 47 or 48 keys. So after 47 keys, the keys will be repeated after left shift. 48 left shift होने के बाद the keys will be repeated 47 के बाद. All right, 48th will be same. Right, तो 48 हो सकती है, but we need कितने? We just need 16 only. ठीक है, हमें खाली 16 चाहिए, तो हम 16 उसमें से select कर सकते हैं. Now we have two more models of DES, double DES and triple DES. Double DES क्या करेगा? It uses two DES, two DAF keys, that is 56 and 56, that is 112-bit key. All right, or it is also called double data encryption standard. How this occurs? We have double DES in which we have two 56 bit keys. We can call them as a single 64 112-bit key. That is not a single 112-bit key. Actually, the algorithm has to be implemented two times. Now, in this case, we are not having 64-bit key, and directly we have 56-bit keys. So 56-bit key will be used for one 16-round set. 16 rounds. Each round will be having a Feastler structure. One Feastler structure 2. All right. So another 56-bit key will be used for another 16 round. And after getting this 56-bit key implemented over these 16 rounds, we will get middle text. That is called middle text. And after implementation of second, we will get the ciphertext. All right. Means the algorithm will be implemented two times. Apart from this, there is another, that is triple DES. Triple DES we will discuss in the next lecture, right? Triple DES is a little, very little different from others. There is just a game of keys. In triple DES, again, we are having two keys only. In double DES, we are having two keys. In triple DES also, we are having two keys. First key, first 16 rounds. Second key, second 16 rounds. Again, first key, next 16 rounds. All right, that is triple DES. You got it? What would happen in triple DES? In triple DES, we will use a reverse cipher, that is called reverse cipher. चलो इसको next lecture में discuss कर लेंगे triple DES को. All right. Thank you all of you for being the lecture. You may leave the session.